Have you ever heard the term Chelsea chop and wondered, what is that? Well, today I'm going to be talking about why we do the Chelsea chop and also showing you how to do it. First up, what is the Chelsea chop? It's a method of pruning, and it's a method of pruning particular types of plants. These are perennial plants, meaning ones that come back each year, they die down in the winter. Certain types of perennial plants really benefit from this pruning method. So what time of year should you do the Chelsea chop? It's usually end of May, early June, and this is a good time of year. The plants are in growth and this is going to encourage them into even more growth. It's also the same time as the Chelsea Flower Show, which is why we call it the Chelsea chop. The sort of plants that this works well on are clump-forming perennials. These are plants that send up lots and lots of shoots. This border here behind me has got some great examples, such as the salvia, echinacea, helenium, nepeta. But there are some plants that this won't work well on, and those are plants that send up a single shoot. An example would be oriental poppy. Once you've cut that stem, it's not going to produce another flower. So how do you do this pruning method? On each stem, you're going to cut it down by 1/3 to 1/2. And you're going to cut it just above where the leaves come out, which is called a leaf node. And what this is going to do is going to encourage that stem to be bushier. The side shoots are going to grow, and it's going to flower later. It's going to create a more compact and stronger plant. This is going to mean that you're not going to need to stake it, which is great. In later summer, you might have a heavy downpour, some wind, and you're going to find your plant lying flat on the grass. So Chelsea chop is really going to help with that, and it means that you don't have to support or stake the plant. Now you can do this over the whole plant, or you could just do the front third, you could do every other stem. It's really down to you. So whether you're doing this because you've missed that window or opportunity to stake the plant, or because you want to extend the flowering season, you might find that when you start doing the Chelsea chop, it's something that you do every year.